All right, functions. This should be fairly simple. Functions. Functions. Here's the thing. There's certain ways to figure out whether something's a function or not. Okay. Basically, as long as the x values don't come up twice, then the whatever the curve is or the line is a function. Okay. Now, how do you know if the x's come up twice? Well, we have a thing called the vertical line test. Okay. So a simple thing to tell if something's a function or not. Okay, is you look at these and you say, okay, which one's a function? And you do what's called a vertical line test. I take a vertical line through the object or through the curve and I see, does it hit at 2 points? If it does, it's not a function. If it does not, if it only hits at 1 point, wherever you do it, then it is a function. Okay? 1 point, function. 2 points, not function. Pretty simple. If it's hitting in 2 points on a vertical line test, it does two things. One, you can see it. But what if you can't see it? What if they're just giving you coordinates? What's happening here? The x value here and the x value here are the same. So if the x's come up twice, it's not a function. So let's look at that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 5, 6. Okay? Did the x's come up twice? Yes. Here and here. So it's not a function. Whereas if we have something like over here, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 8, 6, 2. Okay? Did the x's come up twice? Then it is a function. If they did not come up twice, if they've only come up once, then it is a function. Now if you look, the y's came up twice, right? But it doesn't matter. The y can be the same, and it's still a function. It's when the x's are the same when it's not a function. Okay? So that's the crucial difference between function and non-function. Okay? The other thing about functions, and the last thing about functions, is how to solve them. Okay? So, how do you solve a function? Well, it's really quite simple. F of x is equal to 3x minus 2. We want to find f of 5. That equals 3 times 5 minus 2, which is 15 minus 2, which is 13. So f of 5 is equal to 13. That's how you solve a function. All you're doing is plugging it in. That's it.
Hey, where did you get 5?
I made it up. Like on your test, they're going to say, solve. F of 5 equals x minus 3. You plug it in. You plug in the 5 for the x. So they'll give you two of them. There'll be another one like this. F of 2 equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay? Remember, I have x squared, I have x squared minus 4 times x plus 3. What is my x? F of 2 equals, so 2 is my x. 2 is my x. So now I do the math. 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3. So 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So f of 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay? Did I get it before it shut off? Sweet. Questions on that? That's how to solve functions and what functions are about.